What's up, pilots? Whether you're learning or pushing limits, this is our FPV journey. I'm Neil J and I came here today to chase after the cruise ship. Let's see if we can get to it and get some nice video of it. It's leaving the shores by now. It's going on a trip. So I'm gonna try to do that. Last time I tried to do that, I forgot myself and the battery almost ran out. So I hope I'm not gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna try to remind myself that, hey, please don't watch for that battery. I hope it's gonna come back. I'm not quite sure, but let's see. Welcome aboard. Now let's go ahead and send it.
What's up, pilots? This is the flight I'll never forget. Goggles down, the signal's clear. A new horizon's drawing near. Not a gap through trees I chase, but a giant in its ocean space. Drove for miles to find the spot where wind and waves would give me a shot. Scouted the beach, picked my place. One wrong move and it's ocean waste. From Pelican Island I face the wind. A mile offshore the flight begins. Stayed low on the beach to beat the breeze. Then the horizon cracked into a city of white. Came into view. Harmony of the seas, so tall, answering the deep seas call. My motors hum a different tune beneath the Texas sun and moon. Harmony of the seas, Royal Caribbean. 10 decks high, a floating kingdom through smoke and spray. My FPV caught the sky, risking it all just to get this flyby. So I chased a giant on the waves with a camera that truly saves every deck and every line of this Royal Caribbean inside. For risky passes, countless dives, raw and uncut, I felt alive. From helipad dive to speedboat chase, balcony views on every face. People waving, excited and free, dreaming of the deep blue sea. One mistake and I'm swimming home, but the shot was worth the risk alone. Skimming past the ferry boats run, a dance of shadow in the sun. Wind is pushing, challenging me over the deep and endless sea. I see the pools, the water slide, the theater screen so vast and wide, a floating city's grand display as I carve my own airborne highway. From a launch spot scouted in the sand to the moment I took command. Every second was a gamble, a test. FPV bravery at its best. For every traveler with a dream of sandy shores and ocean gleam. This is your ship from a brand new height. I risked it all to bring you this flight. From the bow onto the stern I fly, a metal mountain against the sky. This is the flight, the grandest quest, a cruise ship put to the FPV test. Harmony of the seas, Royal Caribbean. on the scene. GEPRC Mark5, fast and keen. We chase the waves, we own the sky, found the spot and dare to try. Oh, we're living this endless dream. I took the dare, dove toward a boat running fast somewhere, chased it down on FPV wings. This is what the bravery brings. Then red lights flashed, my heart dropped low, a mile from shore with nowhere to go. The voltage screamed, the OSD flashed red. Fear took over, filled my head. This is it, I thought it's gone. Over the water, flight undone. Splash of sun, I aimed for that spot. My race was run. At 1250 feet, the voltage died. I set her down where the seagulls glide. No crash, no loss, just salt and sand. The bravest flight I'll ever command. Harmony sailed on out to sea, but she left this flight as a memory for me.
Back in one piece, y'all. Did it. Nothing wrong with it. I just landed it because I wasn't sure I was gonna make it back all the way back, so I just decided to put it down and walk to it rather than maybe lose it in the water. go anymore. No, that's too much.
I think it's not there.
What do you think?
I think it's... Let me go check with the stick. And window open.
No way. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have a question, leave it down below in the comment section. We'll see you in the next one.
Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.